Welcome to Shubraj Academy. Today we are going to see the final part of class 7 maths exercise 2.1 from question 5 to question 8. Let's see the question. Question number 5. Find the perimeters of triangle ABE, the rectangle BCDE in this figure, whose perimeter is greater. So here is the figure, triangle ABE. The dimensions are 5 by 2 centimeter, 3 by 5 centimeter and 3 by 4 centimeter. Here is the rectangle BCDE and the width of the rectangle is 7 by 6 centimeter. So the base of the triangle will be the length of the rectangle. So length is 3 by 4 centimeter. We know opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. So I am going to write 7 by 6 centimeter here and 3 by 4 centimeter here. Okay, so in first question we have to find the perimeter of triangle ABE. Perimeter is nothing but it is the addition of all the sides. So here in triangle there are 3 sides, so I am going to add all these 3 sides. The perimeter of triangle AB is equal to AB plus BE plus EA. So I have written the value 5 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Here 5 by 2 is okay, is the correct format, but 3 by 4 and 3 by 5 are not in the correct format. They are in mixed form. So you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper one. So for that you have to multiply the whole part of the mixed one with the denominator and then add the result with the numerator, and you have to write the denominator as it is. Let's see how I am writing. 2 into 4. Look here, I have written multiplication here. Next, plus 3 by 4. Here also you have to multiply 3 into 5 like this and add the result with 3, and you have to write 5 as it is. So, I have written the same thing here. Okay. First write 5 by 2 here, then 2 into 4 plus 3 by 4 like this. 2 into 4 plus 3 by 4. Next plus 3 into 5 plus 3 by 5 like this. Now 5 by 2 it will come as it is, then plus 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3 by 4, then plus 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 3 by 5, then add all these things. 5 by 2, 8 plus 3 is 11, 15 plus 3 is 18. So I have written like this. So this is the correct format of our question. So here look at the denominator. If all are same, then we will add all the numerator and write denominator only once. But here all the denominators are different. So I am going to use Lcm method. Okay, I have written the question like this. Here first I will write all the denominator like this. 2, 4 and 5. Here 2 and 4 are in same table, that is in 2. So I am going to divide 2. I will write 2 here. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 5 is not in the table 2. So I will write 5 as it is like this. Here 1 has come, so no problem. Next numbers are 2 and 5. Both are different. They are not in the same table. So first I will take 2. 2 1s are 2. 5 is not in the table 2. So I will write 5 as it is. So 1 comma 1 comma 5. So here I got 2 1. Only one number is there, 5. So again I will write 5 here. 1 is not in the table 5. So I will write 1 as it is and 5 1s are 5. I'll write here like this. So 3 1 has come. So our process is finished. So now write the LCM. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 1. 2 2 are 4, 4 5 are 20, 20 into 1, 20. So LCM is 20. Here is our format. Denominator is in place of divisor. LCM should be placed in place of dividend. Okay. So first I'll take the fraction 5 by 2. So here the denominator is 2 and LCM is 20. So first I will write LCM inside and denominator 2 outside. 2 1s are 2, 0, and this 0, it should come down like this. Whenever any number is coming down, then you have to do one step. Here 2 1s are 2, you can't do this. So I'll take 2 0 times. 2 0 times 0. So quotient is 10. Next I'll take the fraction 11 by 4. 4 outside. 4 5s are 20. I'll solve like this. Next fraction is 18 by 5. LCM is inside and I'll write 5 outside in place of divisor. 5 4s are 20. I'll solve like this. So I got quotient 10 for 5 by 2, 5 for 11 by 4 and 4 for 18 by 5. So in the next step I will multiply the given fraction with the quotient like this. 5 by 2 into its quotient is 10, so I will multiply both numerator and denominator by 10, then plus symbol, then for 11 by 5 quotient is 5, so I will multiply 5 with the numerator 11 and the denominator 4 with 5. Next symbol is plus, then I will multiply the quotient 4 with the numerator 18 and the denominator 5. Now I got 50 by 20 plus 55 by 20. Next 72 by 20. Look here, all the denominators are same. So I got all the like fractions. Now I will write only one time denominator and add all the numerator like this. 50 plus 55 plus 72 by 20. After adding, I got 177 by 20. Look here, 20 is less than 177. Whenever you get fraction like this, these fractions are called improper fraction. You have to convert improper into mixed one. Come on, let's see how to convert. I'll write 20 outside and 177 inside. So 28 times 160. After subtracting, I got 17. So first I will write the quotient. For mixed fraction, I have to write 3 numbers. So first quotient, then remainder, then divisor. Here the quotient is 8, remainder is 17 and divisor is 20. So perimeter of triangle ABE is equal to first 8, then 17, then 20. I will write like this. And you have to write the unit. If you didn't write the unit, you will not get full marks. Okay. Next, perimeter of rectangle. We have to find the perimeter of rectangle. The formula is 2 bracket length plus breadth. First, I'll draw the rectangle. Its dimension. Okay. So here the length is 2 3 by 4 centimeter and the breadth is 7 by 6 centimeter. So already we have changed 2 3 by 4 as 11 by 4. Okay, so length is 11 by 4 and breadth is 7 by 6. So I'm going to put the values in the formula. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 bracket 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. Now first I have to finish the work inside the bracket. Here I have to add these two fractions, that is 11 by 4 and 7 by 6. Look here, the denominators are different but are in same table, that is 4 and 6 are in table 2. So I will take the LCM method. So I'll write here 4, 6. So they are in table 2, so I am writing 2 here. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 2 and 3 are not in the same table. So I will take separately. 2 1s are 2 and 3 is not in the table. So I will write 3 as it is. Now 3. 1 is not in the table. So I will write 1 as it is. 3 1s are 3. Another 1. So 1, 1 and your process is over. Next, LCM is equal to formula is 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. Write like this. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Your LCM is 12 and here is the format. You have to write denominator in place of divisor and LCM in place of dividend. Okay, first I'll do for 11 by 4. 4 is the denominator, LCM is 12. First I will write LCM and then the denominator. 4 3s are 12. Now for 7 by 6. 6 2s are 12. I got a quotient 3 for 11 by 4 and the quotient 2 for 7 by 6. So now I'm going to write 2 into 11 by 4 into 3 by 3. So I'm going to multiply the quotient with the numerator and denominator of the given fraction. So 7 by 6 into 2 by 2 like this. Next, 11 3s are 33, 4 3s are 12, 7 2s are 14 and 6 2s are 12. 2 will come as it is. 33 by 12 plus 14 by 12. Here 2 will come. Okay. Now look here. Both the denominators are same. So we will write only one time here and we will add all the numerators like this. Next 2 into, after adding 33 and 14 we get 47, 47 by 12. Now 2 and 12 you can reduce it like this, 47 by 6, 2 6 are 12. Look here, 6 is less than 47. It means it is an improper fraction. So you have to convert this improper into mixed one like this. 47 inside, 6 outside. 6 7s are 42. Now subtract. I got 5 as reminder. First I will write 7, then 5, then 6. And the unit. Unit is must for all these type of questions. Next, I have to compare which one is larger. Here is the perimeter of rectangle 47 by 6 centimeter and perimeter of triangle ABE is 177 by 20 centimeter. Whenever you are comparing any two fraction, it should be a like fraction. If it is not like fraction, you have to convert this into like fraction. Look here, denominators are different, so this is not a like fraction. So this is, you have to convert this unlike fraction into like fraction using LCM method. So I taken 6, 20. So 6 and 20 are in table 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 10s are 20. 3 1s are 3. Then I will write 10 as it is because 10 is not in the table 3. 5 2s are 10. Then 2 1s are 2 like this. So 1, 1 has come. So you can directly write the LCM. LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 2 into 1. Write like this. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 32s are 60. So here is LCM 60. Here is the format. Now first I'll take the rectangle. 60 is the LCM. I'll write inside, and the denominator of the perimeter of rectangle is 6. I'll write outside. 6 1s are 6. Then 0 will come down. So now I have to do one step. So 0 times. Okay, for the perimeter of triangle, I'll take the denominator 20. 23 times 60. Okay. I got quotient 10 for the rectangle and 3 for the triangle. Now I am going to multiply the quotient with the given fraction like this. So 47 by 6 is equal to 47 by 6 into 10 by 10 is equal to 470 by 60. Next, for triangle, 177 by 20. So I am going to multiply 3 with the numerator and denominator of the perimeter. So I got 531 by 60. Look here, denominators are same. So just looking at the numerator, you can say that which one is lesser, which one is larger. Here the rectangle is lesser than the triangle. 531 is greater than 470. So the triangle is the larger. The perimeter of triangle is large. So perimeter of triangle AB is greater than perimeter of rectangle BCDE. You have to write answer like this. Next question. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? Okay, here Salim want to put a picture in a frame. So by seeing the question, you can guess that the picture is larger than the frame. So what you have to do? You have to trim the picture. So this is the question. How much you are going to trim the picture? So this is your frame and this is your picture. Look here, picture is larger than the frame. So what you will do? You will trim it with a scissor, and so that it can fit into the frame like this, fully fit. Okay, let's solve the problem. First I'll write the width of the picture. So 7 3 by 5 centimeter. So this is in mixed fraction. I'm going to change in improper fraction. 7 into 5 plus 3 by 5. 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 3 by 5. That is 38 by 5 centimeter. I have written like this. So width of the picture is 38 by 5 centimeter. And the width of the frame is 7 3 by 10 centimeter. So required width is 7 3 by 10 centimeter. It should not be more than this. So I am going to convert this into improper fraction. For converting any fraction into improper fraction, you can use this formula, that is whole number into denominator plus numerator by denominator, like this. 7 into 10, 7 is a whole number. I am going to multiply, look here, and with the denominator, and then I'll add the result with the numerator like this. Then I'll write the denominator as it is. 7 into 10 plus 3 by 10. 70 plus 3 by 10 is 73 by 10. So I got 73 by 10 centimeter. This is the width. 38 by 5 is the width of the picture, and 73 by 10 is the width of the frame. From the question, we know that the width of the picture is greater than the width of the frame. So always subtract smaller number from the bigger one. Here 73 by 10 is smaller, so I will subtract 73 by 10 from 38 by 5. So the picture should be trimmed by 38 by 5 minus 73 by 10. Again we have different denominators, but they are in same table. So we will take the LCM method. 5, 10. Both are in table 5, so I'll take 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. Here 2. I'll take 2. 2 ones are 2 and 1 will come as it is. So LCM is 5 into 2 into 1, that is 10. I'll take this format. Denominator will be in place of divisor and LCM will come in place of dividend. So first I'll take 38 by 5, 10 inside, 5 outside, 5 twos are 10, then 10 and 10, 10 ones are 10. Now I am going to multiply these quotients to respective numerators like this. 38 by 5 into 2 by 2 minus 73 by 10 into 1 by 1 like this. The next step, I have multiplied 76 by 10 minus 73 by 10. Here we got same denominator. So I am going to write one time and the numerator I have to subtract. 76 minus 73 like this. So 76 minus 73 is 3. 3 by 10 is the answer. So finally you have to write, so the picture should be trimmed by 3 by 10 centimeter. Like this you have to write the answer. Next question is, Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. If you consider the whole part is 1, okay, and Ritu had taken 3 by 5 from 1 and the remaining is taken by her brother Somu. What you have to find, how much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share, by how much? Okay, first we'll write part of apple eaten by Ritu is 3 by 5. Next, part of apple eaten by Somu. So whole apple will be 1 and the apple eaten by Ritu is 3 by 5. So remaining is whole minus apple eaten by Ritu, that is 1 minus part of apple eaten by Ritu. So 1 minus 3 by 5. Look here, one whole number is there and one fraction. We have to subtract these two things. So for that we have to convert the whole number into fraction like this. No denominator, if there is no denominator, put 1 like this. 1 by 1 minus 3 by 5. Look here, 1 and 5 is the denominator, both are different table. So I will solve this problem using cross multiplication method like this. 1 into 5 in the numerator, then minus 1 into 3 also in numerator, and in denominator 1 into 5 like this. 1 into 5, then minus 1 into 3, then in the denominator 1 into 5 like this. So 1 5s are 5 minus 1 3s are 3 by 1 5s are 5. So what will come? 5 minus 3 by 5. 5 minus 3 by 5. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 by 5. So therefore Somu ate 2 by 5 part of the apple. And in the question they have given Ritu ate 3/5 part of the apple. So who had more? Look here, denominator are same. Just compare these two things. Denominator are same. So just comparing the numerator, it's enough. Somu ate 2 and Ritu 3. So 3 is larger than 2. So Ritu had taken larger. So 3 greater than 2, Ritu had the larger share. So difference between the two shares. So also they ask the difference. So we have to find the difference also. 3/5, the larger number minus smaller number. Always subtract like this, larger minus smaller. Same denominator, so I have written 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1/5. So I'll write the answer like this. Therefore, Ritu's share is larger than the share of Somu by 1/5. You have to finish the answer like this. Next question, the last one. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7/12 hour. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3/4 hour. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? Here also they are comparing Michael and Vaibhav. So for if any integer or any fraction is comparing, if they are comparing any fraction, then you have to check the denominator. If it is same, then look at the numerator, and which one is greater is greater. You just write this is larger one like this. But if the denominator are different, then you have to use LCM or cross multiplication. Okay. So first I'll write time taken by Michael, 7/12 hours. Next, time taken by Vaibhav, 3/4 hours. Here the denominator is different, so I am going to take LCM. 12, 4. 12 and 4 are in table 2. So 2 6 are 12, 2 2 are 4. Again it is in table 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Next 3 table. 3 is in 3 table. So 3 1s are 3, and I will write 1 as it is. So 1, 1 has come. So my work is over. Okay. Next LCM. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So LCM is 12. So I will convert 7/12 into like fraction like this. I'm going first. I will find the quotient for 7/12. 12 is the LCM. This 12 is the denominator. 12 1s are 12. Next for 3/4, this is 12 is LCM, then 4 is the denominator. 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 12, 0. I got the quotient. Now I am going to multiply this quotient with numerator and denominator like this. 7/12 is equal to 7/12 into 1 into 1 is equal to 7/12. Now for 3/4, 3/4 into 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Here compare. Here we got 12 as denominator. So look at the numerator, 9. 9 is greater than 7. Which one is bigger? 9 is bigger. So 9 is greater than 7. It means what? Vaibhav worked longer. And they asked difference also. So difference is equal to bigger number minus smaller number. So 9/12 minus 7/12. So denominator are same. So I am going to write one time only. 9/7/12. So answer is 2/12. And after reducing it, I got 1/6 hour. So finally, I'll write, so Vaibhav worked longer by 1/6 hour. So this is the answer. Thank you for watching my channel. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.